Happy anniversary, Eurochem! In my 2 years with this company, I've come to understand that passion isn't just about loving what you do. It's about showing up every day with a drive to make things better. As a network admin, I've seen how commitment, teamwork, and purpose fuel real progress. Thank you, Eurochem, for giving me the space to grow and the reason to stay passionate. Here's more to years success together.
Hi ACI, happy 33 anniversary commitment. I promise to work hard.
Hi! Happy anniversary, ECI! Sa more than 2 years ko po dito sa ECI, ang natutunan ko is commitment. Commitment hindi lang basta sa pagpasok sa work araw-araw, kundi yung patuloy na pagpili to stay here para matuto and mag-grow kahit na minsan nakakapagod, minsan nakaka-stress. Nag-start po ako sa ECI as CSO and ngayon po as BDO. At sa bawat role po na yon, natutunan ko na ang commitment ay yung pagiging consistent. Na kahit pagod ka na, you still try to give your best sa work and hindi ka lang may malasakit sa work, kundi pati sa mga katrabaho mo, sa ka-team mo, and sa mga clients. Ang commitment para sa akin is yung patuloy na pagpili na maging part ng journey ng ECI araw-araw. So yun lang, happy anniversary ulit!
ACI, happy 33rd anniversary. What ACI taught me is being committed to formulating product development, being committed. I think putting effort in formulating and improving product quality.
Passion can be contagious, it could inspire your team. Happy 33rd anniversary ECI Pack.
Hi ECI, happy 33rd anniversary. What Eurochem teach me? Ang naituro po sa akin ng Eurochem is maging commitment po. Unang-una, maging commitment is be responsible sa trabaho natin. Magkaroon tayo ng malasakit. Tapos, pangalawa is integrity. Napakahalaga na magkaroon tayo integrity sa trabaho natin na kahit walang natin o meron natin, dapat maging totoo tayo. At yung pangatlo, magkaroon tayo ng support system. Magkaroon tayo ng support system, dapat yung department natin, kung ano man yung kailangan, bigay natin yung full support natin para ma-meet natin yung mga dapat gawin. Lalo-lalo na sa pag-meet ng mga deadlines. Yun lang po. Happy 33rd anniversary ECI.
Happy anniversary ECI. Naituro ko sa akin ng ECI nang tama yung trabaho ko. Pero minsan nagkakamali din.
Eurochem taught me to become more focused in my work and also in my personal goals or my personal life.
33rd anniversary Eurochem. What Eurochem taught me about passion is pag may passion sa work ko, which is designing, mas nagiging obvious yan sa tao. And mas nakikita nila kung may passion yung trabaho ko.
Happy 33rd anniversary commitment, willingness to learn and improve, to contribute to the company.
Happy 33rd anniversary Eurochem. Thank you for teaching me passion by motivating me to continuously learn, grow, and innovate.
Hello! Magandang araw po sa ating lahat and happy anniversary ECI family po. Bilang isang bagong empleyado po dito sa ECI, ang aking pong natutunan sa 2 linggo sa aking mga kasamahan ay maging isang disiplinado sa trabaho at tinuruan po nila ako na maging responsable sa aking trabaho na hanggat maaari dito pa lamang ay tama na po ang aking ginagawa at para po maiwasan ang mga maling gawain. So yan lang po. Happy anniversary ECI family. Thank you po.
Happy anniversary Eurochem. So Eurochem has taught me to aspire for more growth and to keep going on. So I hope everyone takes this message with them as we reach another new year with Eurochem. Muli, nagpapasalamat po kami for being here with us and for staying with us. And I hope everyone gets to spend the weekend as well with their families, and that we may keep working on our dreams and our goals alongside with Eurochem. So thank you, and yes, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, ECI. Mas pinili ko ang trabaho na align sa passion ko.
Happy 33rd anniversary Eurochem. Thank you for teaching me about the passion of learning and the passion of formulating.
Happy 33 years Eurochem. I am passionate about my work and actively contribute to a positive and productive work environment.
For 3 years, 4 months, and 23 days since I started, I've learned to be more passionate about my work by contributing on planning, allocation, QMS, and scheduling of deliveries. It drives me to contribute more and grow. It gives me fuel to do more and be the best in my position.
Happy anniversary, ECI. Eurochem showed me that commitment is showing integrity in every task, no matter how small.
Eurochem showed me commitment by being consistent. So, not just in our teamwork, values, but also dun sa performance natin. So, for me, it's about giving your best, delivering quality work, and syempre, staying aligned dun sa mission and vision of the company.
Happy anniversary, Eurochem! What I've learned in more than 2 decades in ECI is to be more committed to my work. I am doing POs. I try to consolidate the orders so we can get much lower cost. In our pick-up on PERC, we also do pick-up materials consolidation to also reduce cost. And for export, we look for more lower cost courier freight. And I am committed to find ways to reducing cost.
ECI taught me that commitment isn't just showing up. Real commitment is staying dedicated not only to my task, but to the success of the team. Happy anniversary, ECI!
Happy 33 years, Eurochem. Thank you for teaching me to be committed sa work, to give 100% even without looking for any recognition.
Anniversary, ECI, ganon.
Apo.
Itinuro sa akin ng ECI na magkaroon ako ng moral na gawain ng tama kahit walang nakakakita.
Happy anniversary, ECI! ECI taught me to be passionate, to never get bored on my work.
Anniversary ECI, commitment for me is to embrace challenge and view it as an opportunity for new learning.
Happy anniversary ECI. Commitment ko ay pagpapakita ng maging responsable sa mga gawain.
Happy anniversary, ECI. Passion ang pinagmulan ng motivasyon.
Hi ECI! Happy 33rd anniversary! When you are passionate, you don't just work, but you care. Thank you!
Ang ating maging consistent sa trabaho na gawain na trabaho na tama at respeto.
As a QC officer, Eurochemical taught me that commitment and passion means doing your best every day and making sure that the quality never compromises. Happy anniversary to us!
Good morning! Bilang empleyado ng ECI, sa 11 taon ko na dito sa ECI, kahit madaming pagsubok akong harapin habang nasa daanan patungo sa kliyente, sinisigurado ko po na mabibigay ko sa kanila ang material ng maayos. Dahil natutunan ko na maging responsable sa aking trabaho. At yun lang.
Happy 33rd anniversary ECI.
passion. Kasi pupasok ako kahit sa
Eurochem taught me to be passionate in my work through also the people that I see around in Eurochem. Observing them, I see how they are passionate in how they do things towards their work, the energy that they exert. So that's the thing that I would like also to imbibe in my job. So if you are feeling down, you just have to look around in Eurochem and you will be inspired to be more passionate towards your goals. Happy anniversary!